Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share something that can completely change your life. We have all felt at some point that dissatisfaction with our lives, with a job that does not excite us and an uncertain future. But today, I want to motivate you to discover your inner power and conquer your dreams. Remembering that many of us feel trapped in a routine that does not fulfill us, in a system that tells us which path to follow. I was there myself, but I understood that there is something inside each one of us that can change that reality. Society teaches us to fear change, to settle for what is safe. But what if your dreams go beyond what is established? It's time to break those molds that are imposed on us and dare to be different. Imagine having everything that society considers a success: a house, a stable job, comforts. But what if that doesn't fulfill you? Many settle, but if they feel that there is something bigger, something that you are passionate about, it is time to cling to it with determination. It is time to leave behind the doubts and self-imposed limits. Every day is an opportunity to transform yourself into the best version of yourself. Trust in your ability to achieve what you set out to do. The secret is in your attitude towards challenges. Do not stop in the face of adversity. Remember that you are the master of your destiny, and that each step brings you closer to your goals. Even if the path is difficult, every effort counts. Falls and mistakes are valuable lessons that bring you closer to success. Keep the flame of perseverance alive. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve will take you far. You are the architect of your own life. Dare to dream big and act with determination. Your dreams are powerful engines of change. Do not let anything or anyone divert you from your path. Turn your dreams into goals, and those goals into tangible achievements. Remember, your mind is your greatest ally. Believing in yourself will propel you to achieve what seemed impossible. The limit is in your mind, but so is your power. I encourage you to take action, to commit to your dreams, and to give your best. The path may be challenging, but every step brings you closer to your personal victory. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Remember, life is too short to live in fear. Dare to shine and be the best version of yourself. See you in the next video, where we will continue to explore together the power of achieving our dreams. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to activate the bell so that YouTube notifies you when we upload the next video. Until the next video.